Ever dreamt of seeing your very own claw machine nestled amongst the everyday essentials at Walmart? Well, it might sound like a fun fantasy. Let's break down the actual steps it would take to hypothetically place a claw machine in a Walmart, highlighting the red tape and real-world challenges involved. Step 1. Secure permission. This means contacting Walmart's corporate vendor relations department. You'd need a compelling proposal outlining the claw machine's benefits, its footprint, and how it aligns with Walmart's brand. Be prepared for extensive negotiations on revenue sharing. Walmart will want a significant cut. Step 2. Safety and compliance are non-negotiable. Your claw machine must meet all local and federal safety standards, including accessibility requirements. Expect inspections and certifications to ensure the machine is safe for customers of all ages and abilities. Step 3. Logistics and installation. You'll need to arrange for delivery, installation, and electrical hookup. This might involve hiring licensed electricians and ensuring the machine is securely anchored to prevent tipping. Step 4. Stocking and maintenance are ongoing tasks. You'll need to regularly restock the claw machine with appealing prizes and perform routine maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Consider hiring a local technician for repairs. Step 5. Ongoing management. You're responsible for handling customer inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring the machine remains clean and presentable. Clear signage and readily available contact information are crucial. So, while placing a claw machine in Walmart is a complex undertaking, understanding these steps sheds light on the realities of retail vending. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hypothetical business scenarios.